So Ben Beeson, CEO and founder of Galahad Risk Solutions. So CyberCube really helps Galahad with our clients really to start a conversation. It's an enabler to start a risk conversation, which is huge. And also do that quick and easily and offer something of value to discuss. What we don't want to be doing is to get into an insurance discussion at the outset. We want to get into a risk discussion, and I really value the insights I can get through the broking manager platform to be able to do that. There are two. Clients are always going to want to know how big their risk is, and very often when we're talking to small and medium-sized businesses, you're not always talking to somebody who's in IT, so an ability to talk about the size of that risk in non-technical financial terms is of huge value. But perhaps even more important, clients want to know, they want context. What are my peers doing? And companies of the same size in the same industry, how much insurance are they buying, for example? I would describe the collaboration and support I get from CyberCube as very proactive, and maybe it's a little going a little far to say holding my feet to the fire, but I think that's good and something I haven't seen in this type of relationship before. So a regular check-in, asking for feedback on what I've been, how clients have been receiving the insights they've been getting from the platform, and that's great. And also having a meaningful relationship with an account executive, is important too. So the benefits that I've seen since I've really engaged with the broking manager platform is an ability to open more doors, frankly, and to get more traction with prospects and ultimately to make more sales. And of course, that's what counts. But secondly, I'd say also, because we're a broker that's focused very much on the small to mid-market, you've got to be able to engage those customers quickly and easily. Margins are tight, and it really helps us at Galahad with our business model supporting a margin that we can afford to do business at. So what I would tell somebody who's considering CyberCube is simply it's the leading platform for cyber insurance by far. I think one of the things that CyberCube has done better than any of its competitors or anybody else who's working in the industry on the analytics side is really think about the different use cases that people, colleagues in insurance have. Why do they need CyberCube? And for a broker, very much an ability to talk about risk first and not insurance, and to support that conversation through to understanding why you need insurance, how much insurance you need, and how that relates to the size of your risk.